Hi and welcome to Rainy Dewey's Art Spot. If you haven't been here before, welcome aboard. If you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. This little short video focuses on a couple of techniques that you can use to save the white of your paper when you're doing transparent watercolor. I find your paintings are fresher if you don't use an opaque white, and you can save the white of the paper. And so there are a couple of strategies that you can use. The one I'm using here is I'm cutting pieces of masking tape. Luckily the shapes that I want to save are straight and not organic like a tree shape or whatever. So I put on the masking tape and then I went over the whole thing with water, and now I'm laying in some of the shadows that are going to be in the grass. Once you let the whole thing dry, you gently take off the masking tape. I used an art masking tape, I do believe, and you don't want to leave the masking tape on for any length of time once your painting is dry. And so that's one technique to save the white of the paper. If I had masking fluid, I'll do that, a little demo of that in another video. But in using masking fluid, you can do all kinds of little intricate designs, and it's a rubbery substance that goes on the paper. You do your sweeping washes, and then once it's dry again, you gently lift it off. And the final way to save the white of the paper is to paint around objects that are easy to paint around. For example, I painted around those buildings, and I'm painting the trees gently around them, so I'm not doing sweeping washes over them. So those are the tips that I have to save the white of the paper when you're painting in watercolor. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have other ideas, I'd love to hear your comments, and thank you so much for watching.